Hello friends, today we'll be talking about the Aditya Birla AMC IPO. What to do if you have got the allotment and what to do if you have not got the allotment of this IPO. So if you see yesterday, it was the last traded price was at 698 rupees, whereas the allotment price was at 712, which is 14 rupees less than the allotment price. So when you come to the fundamentals of this company, you see the profit after tax has been increasing from the last 2 years, 2 to 3 years, and the total revenue has been decreasing. So this indicates that there is a good operating profit margin as the total revenue has been decreasing and the profit is increasing. So this is a good sign. And coming to the AUM is the assets under management of this AMC. So like the good percentage of equity is beneficial to the AMC. If you see here, we have equity AUM of 36.5%, which is fairly a good percentage when compared to its peers. So this is also a good sign of this AMC. And when coming to the comparison with its peers, like we have HDFC, Nippon, and UTI as its peers in the market. So if you come to the market cap, it's ranked at the third place, and price to book value, which is the traded price to its book value, it is at the second place. Price earnings ratio, PE ratio, it's at the third place. AUM percentage, third place. AUM in lakhs, it is at the second place. Its sales is at the second place. Return on equity is at the first place. Return on assets is at the first place, and net margin is at the fourth place. So we can give the average rank of second or third for this AMC when compared to its peers performance. And coming to the significant factor of AMC, which is assets under management, if you see the growth of this assets under management with its peers, we see Aditya Birla AMC is at 14.67%, which is the second highest when compared to its peers. So if you see the board of directors here, most of these persons you are seeing here are the reputed persons. So even if I talk about the CEO of the company, he has been in the position for the past 12 years, which is a good sign again. And lastly, I would like to compare the performance with one of its peers, which is UTI Asset Management Company. So I have taken the last 1 year performance of this fund here. If you see, it has given 121% return. If you go back and check the peer-to-peer analysis, this UTI management asset management company is ranked after the Aditya Birla in any of the sectors. So we may expect similar performance, but cannot say. So, as per the company's disclosures, I've seen that 55% of the total schemes that this asset management company holds are underperforming than the benchmark. So, which is not a good sign for an asset management company. So, considering this to be a challenge here, we cannot say if the company starts performing better in the coming days, then it is a good sign, and we can expect this to perform because the fundamentals of this company are better than the peers that is listed in the stock market. So we can expect the better price for this one. So my personal opinion, but not any financial advice for this type for this company, is that watch out for the price movement in the stock market for a couple of days and then take your decision as the price is moving downtrend. So just watch out, and maybe in a couple of days you'll know the direction of the price and you can then invest. Again, this is not recommended for short term investment. Maybe if you're planning for a medium or long term investment, this is recommended, but not any financial advice. For more of such updates, please stay in loop. Thanks for watching. Happy investing. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.